Hello guys, this is Chandan Kumar from www.vfxfriday.com, and today I'm gonna show you a very interesting and informative video tutorial on 2D motion tracking and sky replacement in After Effects CS4. So let's go ahead and import the necessary footages here, and this is a live footage which I have shot on my office's roof, and this is just a simple sky footage which I have to replace with the original one. So for a time, let's make it invisible, and now I have to track this footage. So go to window and tracker. For motion source, pick this and track motion, and click on your tracking point and cling it to some good reference point in the footage, and now you have to hit this button and analyze forward, and let's see if your tracking point stays with the reference point or not. And if it follows the reference point, it means your footage is being tracked nicely, and if it is not like that, it means you have to take some other reference point for a better result. So I think it's been nicely tracked. Yeah, yeah. As you can see that this tracking point is this tracking point is going with the reference point. Yeah, this shot is being tracked nicely. It's pretty good. Now I have to shift the motion data of this footage to some other layer. So go to layer and make a new null object, and click here edit target and select the null one for the receiver of the motion data of this footage. And now click on apply dimension X and Y. Okay, now you can see that the null object is following the motion of the tracker point. Okay, so now I have to make a sky replacement. So go to this layer and make it visible. Yeah, and make some adjustments here like positioning and scaling the footage. Yes, good. Now you have to make this layer as the child of this null one, so that it could easily follow the null one. Now you can see, yes, now sky is following the motion of the null one. Now make a garbage mask around your sky footage, and see if it is going perfectly. You have to make some adjustment in the mask points. Yes, okay, and now hit and increase some feather and see if it dissolves with the original footage. Yes, it's pretty good, I think. Yes, now you can see the footage is being tracked and your sky replacement is successful. The result is pretty good. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial very much, and let's meet in another interesting tutorial. Till then, take a very good care of yourself, and This is Chandan Kumar from www.vfxrider.com. Remember it. See you soon. Bye bye.